Good morning. Finally we have sunny morning, but that can change here like in a second. But I'm gonna use it as much as possible now to prepare the campsite and to fold up the awning, because it's 90% dry. Or I'm just gonna like put it in the car box, because I'm gonna put it back in the other camp, so no point of folding it nicely. Yep, the weather wasn't so great for us in these past 3 days, but doesn't matter, because these 3 days we were just hiding from the crowds of the big holiday. So now we are restarting our journey in Sweden. We are going towards Hadesunde camping. Oh, that one I said it properly from the first. That's like 150 kilometers from here, and it's next to a national park that we're gonna spend for maybe 5 days. We'll see how nice it is. So I arrived to check in here in Hadesunde National Park, not national camping site. Sorry for my This is one of the owners, and the cool thing is that you go with a golf cart around the campsite to see where you can pitch your caravan. How cool is that? So many camps in Sweden don't have these outlets. So what you need to do is purchase the exchanger, I don't know, that has this kind of end. So yeah, this one goes here, and then you plug up in the electricity. Yeah, and this one I think was like 20 euro or something. Yeah, pretty pricey when I bought it. This campsite is really nice, and the area is very nice. I mean, we are like 15 kilometers from the national park that I'm not gonna pronounce, but still, I mean, we don't need to go to the national park to enjoy the beauty, and it's perfect for cycling. So we're gonna use the bicycles here. And the cool thing is, before I start to make the barbecue, the grill, I need to a little bit be happy about something, because finally we found these stickers that we're gonna put on the caravan. So we decided to go with the family, so we're gonna put 3 muses on the caravan, like for me, for Mama, and for Mark. So yeah, very nice campsite, park next to the playground for Mark, and time to enjoy this new area of Sweden. You are missing out that you cannot smell this amazing. I don't think there is a better perfume than a good grill. It's so expensive to drink beer in Sweden that when I'm drinking it, I feel like I'm drinking Moet in Macedonia, because it's very expensive.
So this one without lettuce, this is for Mark. The rest is ours. It's got mayo and barbecue sauce and cucumbers and red onions and the cappuccino. So hungry.
Are they? They need a little bit more melting.
Salivating.
And you, what you doing? Что подожди? В лодке стás?
Да.
Water? Hadesunde? Это...
Ta-da!
Yep, it's that time of the week when we go cycling, because this area is super flat and it's super picturesque and it's very nice, so it's worth of cycling. I think that we might even try to go to the national park by bicycles, only if the weather proves to be very good, but because we are a little bit afraid to go with the bicycles on 30 kilometers two-ways trip, because if it starts raining we're gonna be like soaked. It's not a problem for us, big problem is for him. We always manage to find shops because we always need apples and bananas. So for shopping, I think that this Ica, I don't know what how you pronounce the name, probably Ica. The name of the shop is much cheaper than Coop. Yeah, so if you're traveling here, make sure that you're shopping there in Ica. This is just off our campsite, like 100 meters from our caravan. It has a very nice sandy beach, and the sun is hitting. I think there is the sunset. It's going whoop down there, so it might be very nice to see it. It's very nice, this place. Highly recommend this camp. Ekuddens. It's highly recommended. I will do a separate video for it. But there is a restaurant also here, and you can rent a canoe. Very nice area. This is not in the national park though. Tomorrow we are going to the national park. It has like 15 kilometers driving, and I think the driving is again on that gravel road that we drove earlier today. You can fish here, but you need a license, and there is a massive pike. A neighbor in the camp just caught one. It was like a meter long. It was huge, and it had a fish in it, so the pike ate the fish and then was caught, like the whole chain of food. Yeah, you always should have something like this with you on the road. Maybe it's not that strong as the normal at the gas pump, but does the job. So yeah, I got on the board computer that my tire is deflated. So yeah, one of them was like supposed to be 2.6 and it was 1.7, so it was quite a lot. I didn't notice, you cannot see it. We arrived at Färnebofjärden National Park. It's written down there. So yeah, we're gonna do a little hike here in the national park. It's supposed to be a small area that we're gonna explore, and most of the national park is actually water, so we're not canoeing or don't have a motorboat, so we're not gonna explore it that way. Regarding the tire update, we drove like 20 kilometers after the last inflating, and it hasn't moved, so it showed that it's okay. I restarted the board, that doesn't show the red sign, so hopefully it's all good. But if it's not, there is a tire shop close by, like 10 kilometers from our campsite, so I might go there. I'll see when I come back from the hike. I'm gonna measure again the pressure, and then when we get back to the campsite once more. We are 3 days here, so hopefully nothing will happen, but if does, we're gonna go to the tire shop. We can expect that. I mean, driving almost 3,500 kilometers, that something changes in the tire pressure. That's very normal. Still, you don't want that kind of inconveniences when on the road so far from your comfort zone. But it is what it is. Yeah, so welcome to the national park, and let's see how beautiful this one is. Who's better, this one or the previous ones? Let's go. To check again the tire pressure. So it was only the tire pressure. Actually the tire was deflated a little bit, and now it is, as I left it, 2.6 bars, as it should be according to the list made by BMW for this vehicle, for this kind of tires. The front, and according to the weight what we have, it should be 2.6 on the front wheels, front tires, and 3.1 on the rear ones. So yeah, overall good sign, and hopefully it will stay like that till tomorrow, when we're gonna do another check. We finally got the Scandinavian stripes on the caravan. We were like to have those stickers since we were traveling in Germany, so finally we got them. Now we are off to cycling a little bit in this area, because there were some nice images, potential images that we can take, we saw from the road. And yeah, nice weather now, we need to use it as much as possible. Once to finish this, to finish a video with a good weather and a sun, because always we are in a cloudy, rainy place. So this time we are finishing the video from sunny Sweden, and to prove that it's not always raining here. So see you in the next one from the national park with very long name on F. See you next time. Bye.